I've got a malfunction. Check it out, will you? Second, these coordinates are wrong. Did you set these?
What's a few degrees?
What's a few degrees? What's the matter with you, man? We're flying an interstellar cruise liner, not riding a bicycle. So, we should be going into the wrong orbit.
So?
Well, it'll mean delays. Oh, no! Mayday. This is cruise liner Empress reporting collision. Space collision on approach to Azure. Damage control, report to the bridge.
Two ships are sticking straight through each other, sir.
Any blowouts? How's the pressure?
Everything's okay, except we can't get through to some of the passenger sections. They're blocked off. The hull of the other ship, sir, it's sticking right across the entrance to B-deck.
A-deck report. A-deck, are there any casualties? Have you got the damage report yet? Well? Oh, it's all uniform second. I'll carry the gas. I'll lose my job, but you'll never work in West Galaxy again. Come on, check the power man. Come on, move yourself. This is an emergency.